up and hit
that bell. Ding!
So the first ingredient is glue, of course.
Yeah, everybody put glue in first. Gee, this is heavy.
So you have our gallon of glue.
Let's put all the glue in there.
Let's go.
So now we're going to put a cup in here. Big bowl.
Okay.
Awesome, that looks like a lot of glue, girls. Are you ready for the next step? What's the next step, Daisy?
The next step is bubbles.
All right, so you put 1 cup of bubble soap in with the clear glue. I don't think we need that. Oh, Burrs is gonna make some bubbles. There's bubbles everywhere. So do you think that this will make the slime bigger since we're using bubble soap? Comment down below.
Yeah.
Do you think it will? All right, now it's time to pour it into the measuring cup, Rose. All right, Daisy, 1 cup.
1 cup.
1 cup of bubble soap.
Whoa, that's enough.
All right, Burrs, pour the cup of bubbles in for me. All right, so for step, oh yes, go ahead and stir. Mix the soap and the bubbles together. Is it slime yet?
Nope.
Not yet?
Nope.
I know what we're going to put next. We're going to put food coloring.
Yes, you are right, Bright Rose. We are going to put a little bit of food coloring in. Daisy, is it ready for food coloring for step 3?
Yes.
So what color food coloring are we adding?
We're using
Red.
Red. So I wonder if it will kind of look pinkish because of the glue and everything. So add some food coloring just a little bit. Add some food coloring. And stir.
Food coloring goes a long way.
Yes, it does. Ooh, it does kind of have a pinkish.
Yeah,
tint to
that's
it.
why I said pink.
Pink. Ah, now it's looking red. I don't know, guys. Comment down below. Is that red or pink? What do you think?
Well,
Red.
ours actually
Well,
is
it's kind of
red.
All right. So what is our final ingredient?
Stay flow.
Stay Flow. And we're just doing a little bit of that. So go to the bottom line for Stay Flow. Keep stirring, Bright Rose. Make sure it's mixing real good.
Yeah. Because you don't want it to be fluffy.
You don't want it to be too slimy, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so this should be the final ingredient that will
Sort
help
of like pink right
make
here.
it come together.
It's sort of like pink by the edge.
It does? Alright, so mix it real good.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like it's slamming in the cup.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. The ingredients were in there. That was too cool.
Whoa! It's making
Wow.
slime,
Is
guys.
it making slime? Alright,
Yeah.
keep mixing it. Mix it really, really good.
Yeah.
I'm in here.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah.
How's it going, Bright Rose?
Really good.
Is it sliming yet?
Yep.
Alright, let's see. Ooh, it's getting there. Can we use our hands yet?
Whoa.
Oh, it's getting close. Keep mixing.
Daisy, don't need to do that fast.
Oh, yes, it's coming together
Whoa.
quite good. All right, keep mixing it, girls. I think it needs to be mixed a lot to get all that together.
All right, so we have all of our sliminess.
Whoa.
All right, let's take it out of the bowl. Let's
How
see.
can we? Oh, that's pretty easy. Whoa. That's
Oh, yeah, I think it's ready. Do you
Easy.
think it will stretch far enough to put Bright Rose in a bubble?
yeah. In your Daisy.
All right, guys, comment down below. Do you think we'll be able to get Bright Rose in a bubble?
It's
Comment
stretchy.
yes.
It's so far. Well, that's so far.
Comment yes if you think we can get Briar Rose in the bubble. Alright, so we have our slime and we are going to fit Briar Rose in a giant bubble. Should we practice making some bubbles first or should we just go for it?
Bubbles first.
You want to practice first?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try. Alright, here we go, piece.
Gentle, gentle.
Gently.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
And 1.
Oh!
That did not work out as planned.
Oh.
The bubble gets to me.
It went straight to you.
Oh.
Alright, back up, Daisy.
Okay, not too.
No,
Alright,
slow,
okay, ready,
slow.
ready? Okay.
1.
1.
Oh, this is a giant bubble. Oh, this looks like I'm talking to Briar Rose. Oh, I think we are ready. 1, 2,
Why are you doing it?
And go. You're in a bubble. Of course, you were in a bubble. You were bubble girl.
Try that again. I want to be bubble girl again.
Here we go.
1, 2,
Two.
down.
Oh!
Come in. You're in a bubble. You're in a giant bubble. Oh my goodness, how long is this gonna last? Okay, we're That was so awesome.
So how's it feel living in a bubble?
I love it. I want to live in a bubble again.
Is that your bubble fort?
Yeah. I want to make another bubble fort.
Daisy's turn.
Ready? Here we go. Oh, you gonna do it?
Should we start?
Yes.
All right. 1,
2.
3.
Oh, it popped. That would have been awesome.
Daisy said it got on there.
Alright, ready? Up, down, up, down. Ready? Go.
Oh, it's a perfect circle around you.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
All right, here we go.
Alright. Ready?
Watch my feet.
Ready? Go. Oh! You're in a huge bubble! Oh no, hold right here.
How's it feel? How's it feel?
Oh, you're in a bubble! You're in a huge bubble!
What's the matter? Blow it up!
Oh, you made it!
Oh, you
How was
made
it in a bubble?
Oh, my hair!
How was it like a bubble fort?
Huh?
What was it like in a bubble fort?
Pretty messy.
Pretty messy.
Yeah, you can tell it to my hair.
So, what was the experience being in a real life bubble?
My hair is pretty messy on this side. I don't know how because I was like this. So I have no clue how that got there. Pretty messy and pretty messy.
Could you tell you're in a bubble?
No.
You couldn't tell? You didn't feel
I
the
didn't.
bubbleness around you, the slime around you
Well,
until it popped?
I felt it when it popped, and I felt it when it like hit my arm.
Ah.
Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below and follow.